Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about remote work and how to stay productive when you're not in the office. With more and more people working from home, it's important to have some strategies in place to stay on track and get things done. So, let's jump right in with tip number 1. 1. Set a routine and stick to it. Having a set schedule can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Whether it's starting work at the same time every day or taking regular breaks, having a routine can help you be more productive. Make a to-do list for the day and prioritize your tasks so you can focus on what's most important. 2. Create a designated workspace. Having a specific area where you work can help you separate work and personal life and stay focused on your tasks. Make sure your workspace is comfortable, well lit, and free from distractions. 3. Take breaks and move around. Sitting in front of a computer for long periods of time can be draining, so it's important to take regular breaks and move around. This can help you stay refreshed, reduce stress, and improve your overall productivity. 4. Limit distractions. When you're working from home, it can be easy to get sidetracked by household chores, social media, or TV. To avoid these distractions, turn off notifications on your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and limit your exposure to anything that might take your focus away from your work. 5. Stay connected with your team. Working remotely can be isolating, so it's important to stay connected with your colleagues and team. Regular check-ins, video calls, and virtual team building activities can help you feel more connected and motivated, and can also improve collaboration and communication. And there you have it, 5 tips for staying productive during remote work. Remember, what works for one person may not work for another, so find what works best for you and stick with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.